here is the first look at the 2022 BMW M340i. My name's Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada, and today I'm going to give you guys a walk around of the brand new 2022 M340i. We just got this one in about a week ago. It has become my manager's demo. 2021s are now officially all sold out, and we're moving into the 2022s. So I'm going to do a walk around of this car for you guys, give you guys an inside and outside look of what the 2022 M340i looks like. I'm going to point out a couple differences from last year's model to this year's model, as well as show off some of the M Performance parts that my manager's installed on this car. So we do have M Performance front carbon fiber lip spoilers on either side, the carbon fiber rear spoiler, the black side skirts, and the M Performance exhaust system all fitted onto this beautiful Tanzanite Blue M340i. On the inside, it's packed in with Tartufo Merino Leather with Excellence package and the Live Cockpit Professional Plus adaptive M suspension. This M340 is fully loaded. All right, now I'm gonna hop behind the camera and get into this walk around. All right, now let's get into the first look of the 2022 M340i. The sun is setting, so there's not too much in the sky, so this color is getting darker. This is our beautiful Tanzanite Blue metallic. It is one of pretty much every person who works at BMW. It's one of our favorite blue colors, because at nighttime you can see the sun is just setting over here. It's about 6 o'clock at night. The dark blue is coming out, and then when it goes pitch black, you think this car is black, but when the sun hits it and reflects off the paint, has such a beautiful sparkle to it. Let me turn the flash on. All right, with the flash on, I'm gonna get close to the paint. You can start to see the sparkle coming out of it with the extra light. So imagine that tenfold when the sun is bright. This Tanzanite Blue is this beautiful sapphire sparkle underneath of it. Now, this one is pretty much fully loaded. We have Excellence package. So what that means, on the outside, we have the BMW laser light headlights part of that package. You will notice the cerium gray grille, the cerium gray bumper content, mirrors, the tailpipes, and the badging at the back is also going to match with the 19-inch cerium gray wheels. A lot of people are opting in to go with the high gloss black exterior content with the black grille and everything else. I love the way that the cerium gray ties everything together. I think it works a lot better than the high gloss black. Now, being my manager's demo, he has added the carbon fiber front splitters. Beautiful sexiness down in each corner for the carbon fiber splitters on the M340. Just add the next level aggression to this vehicle. Now, in the bumpers, you will notice these little dimples here. That's for the park distance control system. And in between the grille, you'll notice an extra camera for the parking assistant with surround view system that this car has, being fully loaded. At the front, the bicolor cerium gray 19-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires with the blue M Sport brakes. You have the M logo on the outside, and then 2 additional cameras on either mirror. And then on this one, you have the additional black M Performance side skirt. Adds the aggress and ties in with the front carbon splitters. 19-inch wheels in the back with a little wider tires. And then look at this nice duck fin spoiler. Carbon fiber rear spoiler from M Performance. Look how far back it hangs off the edge. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. xDrive is standard in our Canadian marketplace. And then at the back, you can't tell because it doesn't actually change the tailpipes. The cerium gray tailpipes are attached to the bumper, but this is the M Performance exhaust system. You can just start to see the M Performance, getting the camera as low as I can. So this car is extra loud compared to other ones, and I'll see if I'll do an engine startup for you guys. So let's take a listen of how this car sounds. Man, this thing sounds so aggressive with the M Performance exhaust, and that's barely anything. This car under load when you're actually driving it is so loud, it's ridiculous. I just absolutely love it. Now let's take a look on the inside. Now we talked about the Tanzanite exterior paired perfectly with this beautiful Tartufo Merino Leather. So another upgrade above the Vernacular leather, you have the Merino Leather. The Harman Kardon sound system is being restricted on a lot of other models, not on the M340. BMWs were saving all the restrictions at the factory for the premium engine variants. Look at the stitching in there. Look at the stitching in the seats, cross hatch pattern. looking absolutely sexy and fantastic. Now at the back of your seats, you do have adjustment here to go up and down. Your center one can also go in and out, and you can drop down the center. You can also drop the back down from the trunk release if you wanted to drop the back. Storage compartment nets on the back, and then check out the floor mats. When you get the Tartufo interior, you get brown Tartufo around the edge of the floor mats. Normally those are just pure black, but when you go with Tartufo, you get the matching floor mats. Rear heated seats and climate control in the back, 2 USB-C ports, so anybody who in the back seat is also going to be extremely comfortable. On the mirror here, it is auto dimming. You can see this little triangle for blind spot monitoring, and it also is heated in the wintertime. You do have the comfort door access on the door handle, so you press there to lock. Locks the door, mirrors fold in, put your hand on the inside, and it unlocks. BMW's even taken it a step further with the newest one. You now have comfort door access 2.0. As soon as you walk away, the car automatically locks, just like that. And as soon as you come back towards the vehicle, it automatically unlocks. You do have to engage that in the xDrive system. Tartufo Merino Leather on the door panel. You have your unlock and your lock switch, your seat settings, your mirror controls, and all your window switches, and the child safety lock for the back seats. Trunk release. This one does have the fully automated power trunk, so it just pops right up. Lots of storage space in the back seats. You have your release handles for the back seats, storage net on either side. This vehicle does come with the non-run flat tires. So instead of a spare tire, you get a tire inflation kit that stays in the vehicle. And if you want to close your full power tailgate, you can close and just close the trunk. You can close and lock all the doors. And you can also, with a little wave of your foot, close the trunk that way. Now let's go back into the interior of this beautiful M340. M door sills down here, merino leather Tartufo front seats, headrest adjustment, lumbar support, as well as side bolstering support. So you can tighten or loosen that bolstering. Front floor mats match as well. Still have the blue protective plastic. So my manager's saving it for the first person who buys it. You can still remove the protectives over that. Your auto lights, ambient lighting here, adaptive LED headlights, adaptive laser light headlights. Your M Sport steering wheel comes standard with the M340. Cruise control on your left, infotainment system on your right, sport paddle shifters and heated steering wheel. Auto rain sensing wipers. This is what it looks like before you start it up. iDrive system. This is touchscreen as well. If you want a full iDrive 7 tutorial, just click the link above. Climate control section, radio. You have no more wireless charging tray, so that is a restriction for the 2022s. There's no more wireless charging tray available. It does close like that. iDrive controller, traction control, 360 parking camera, park distance control, your engine starts button, foot on the brake, you press it once, starts up, woo, you can hear it again. So that's comfort mode, eco mode, and that's sport mode. You also get head-up display. Put it into drive, unlock button on the left side, drive, reverse, park. When you drive, you go transmission into sport mode, and when you park, it comes back. Adaptive M suspension as well, auto hold brake feature, and electronic parking brake for this vehicle. Aluminum Texagon trim, matches the center console, also up on the dash as well. Ambient lighting in this vehicle. Here you can see the parking assistant with the 360 camera view. So my door is open there. You can see the wingspan. You click and you can see different views. You can go over here. You can do 360 view. You can also do this from your cell phone as well. Pretty cool. Universal remote control, so garage door programmer on your mirror. Sunroof controls right here as well. Sunroof is wider than it was on the last generation as well. And you now have Hello BMW commands. It's not activated, but basically works sort of like Siri, where you don't have to hit the microphone button and you can just say Hello BMW. And that is pretty much everything there is for the first walk around of the 2022 M340. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this BMW content. If you did, please absolutely smash that like button. It does help me out, helps me grow on the YouTube platform. Consider subscribing for more BMW content in the future. I do a lot of giveaways, so make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of that information. Don't forget, if you are in the Toronto marketplace, this car is for sale. So if you want to take advantage of a great demo offer with all these M Performance parts on it and this fully loaded M340, maybe this car is for you. If you think you know somebody who'd be interested in this car, send them this video. If you want to reach out to me to purchase a BMW, this one or any other, feel free. My email is down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.